Hey, welcome back. Common question we get asked is, what's the deal with these barcodes? Just have a look at that, right? This is an FNSKU barcode, right? This needs to be put on every single product, every single of your product. It needs to have this. If it doesn't have this, then Amazon could do, basically, they can reject the stock, and you don't want that happening. This is a common question I get often asked is, what is the deal with the barcodes, right? What is a UPC code? What is an FNSKU code or an FNSKU, right? This is an FNSKU. You have basically the product name, the size, the color. You can even have the made in China underneath it as well, which is also compulsory. You have to have made in China on your product. If you don't have it, you are also in convention of, well, basically Amazon, it's against their terms of service, right? You must have made in China on every single product, right? On the barcode, on the packaging, all right? It doesn't have to be on the product, but actually on the packaging it does, all right? But guys, you need a UPC code. You convert the UPC code to an FNSKU. This is pretty much what we teach, right? If you're one of my VIP clients, I actually do it for you. We look after all the barcoding for you. But I just want to say, you need to have this on your product. So don't forget, all right? Don't think you could just go to Alibaba or AliExpress and just order a whole bunch of units, 100 units, 1,000 units, ship them to Amazon and say, hey guys, sell them for me, right? You've got to have everything. You need an Amazon FBA label on the carton box. You need the made in China stickers. It's got to be CE certified, right? If it's a medical device, TGA or FDA, depending on where you're selling it, right? If there's AA batteries, right? You need a safety certificate, right? If you're selling baby products, some baby products, not all baby products, but some, it could be a gated category, right? So you'd have to show further safety approvals. If it's a baby blanket or baby nappy, Amazon will want to know what's in the baby nappy. Is it hazardous, right? Is it made of toxic materials that could leach into the baby's skin? So guys, enjoy yourself. Hopefully that sort of sheds some light on a little bit about labels, but you've got to have this stuff sorted. People think selling on Amazon, it's so easy. You just find any old product, you send it to Amazon. Guys, there's stuff to do. This is why as companies like mine out there is to teach you the proper process. The last thing you want to do is have products go to the Amazon warehouse in another foreign country and have them say, we reject your stock, all right? Come and pick it up. Well, hold on, you're based here in Australia. Your goods are over in the Texas warehouse. How the hell is that going to work out, right? So this is why there's more to it than meets the eye. And this is why companies out there like mine who actually teach you guys how to do it. I even do it for you. Not many companies actually do it for you, but I actually do it for you, okay, for some of my clients. So guys, get it, learn the entire process, all right? Spend time, learn the process from barcoding, Amazon FBA labels, does your product need packaging requirements? And hopefully, if you're based in Australia and New Zealand, I'd love to see you at one of our live events. See you later. Have a great day.